Hey guys, it's me, Nita. Welcome and welcome back. So in today's show, guys, what we are going to be doing is girl, did they just cancel my show?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Literally, did they just cancel my show? No, they did. No, they didn't. Listen, life has been lifing, y'all. Life has been lifing. I've been tending to my family. I've been tending to myself, y'all. I've been handling a little business here and there. Guys, I've been attending parties. I've been throwing parties, child. It's just life has been lifing. But let me head up over here to these people corporate office because I need to talk to them about them canceling my show. I'll be right back. So y'all, I headed on up to corporate and I walked in there and I was gonna be like, but the good side of my brain said, girl, don't do that. I walked in there, I said, excuse me, can I speak to someone? And they said, Nita, just go ahead. We're gonna renew your contract. Go ahead and finish your show. And I thought so. And I put my ear to the door and I heard them say, just renew her contract and get her half illiterate, half intelligent ass out of here. Okay, y'all, let's try this again. We're going to take two. Hopefully we are back in business. So again, let me say welcome and welcome back. I'm Nita at Nita's Home Decor. If you are new here, welcome to a tad bit of craziness, but trust me, the bulk of my channel is home decor. And to my people, y'all, let me say welcome back. I missed you guys. And to all of you that reached out to me, asking me, hey, where you at? I missed you. Hurry up and come back. I want to say to you, I miss you even more. And thank you so much. I love you guys. So guys, what you're looking at right now, I'm just going to pan the area of my living room as well as my dining room. This is the space that I'm going to be decorating for fall. Right now, everything is cleared out. I've already cleaned everything. I left the pieces that I'm going to use. I left them there to stay. And guys, if you see that credenza there, I did a video almost about maybe 3 months ago, I don't know, showing you me changing that credenza to what it is now. And then also the mirror here that you're looking at it wasn't an antique gold. I also painted that in an all black as well. And then here, the pictures that I have on the wall, as well as those sconces. And then I also have a round mirror. Well, actually 2 round mirrors that are trimmed out in gold. Those are going to be painted black too. So my style here, guys, is modern organic. So in my home, you're definitely going to see some natural and organic pieces blended with a lot of the modern pieces as well. I enjoy seeing those natural elements in my home. It brings just so much warmth and comfort and coziness to a space. So yeah, we're going to go right into decorating, starting in this entryway, and I'm going to use this wood vase. This wood vase I did pick up from Ross a while ago, but I love the texture of it, and I also love the variations of the brown tones on that vase. These fall florals I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And guys, for my fall decor, you'll see that I'm going to stay quite neutral. I'm not going to use a lot of the bright fall colors, the oranges and the, the burgundies. And, I'm just going to stay very neutral. I want to keep a neutral palette. I'm going to just try to bring in more texture and more patterns for fall to warm up the space. And as you can see, I did switch out the gold mirror for those 2 mirrors there. Those mirrors I picked up from Home Goods, and you'll notice that those are trimmed out in a natural straw-like material as well. These beautiful neutral fall leaves are from Hobby Lobby. And I'm gonna top off the books with this beautiful, unique fall piece that I picked up from Home Goods. I also found this bronzy gold and black candle holder from Home Goods. And I got this beautifully textured basket from Hobby Lobby. So right here, I'm just going to use this old tablecloth as a filler in the basket, and then I'll go ahead and add some moss on the top of that. These two lanterns I picked up from Home Goods, and they were just my style with the rope handles. These two pillows I already had on the sofa previously, but I think that's still gonna work really well with my fall decor. And honestly, y'all, I did not feel like going through my pillow stash. So, I think those are gonna work fine. I like the neutral color on it. And then plus I picked up some additional new pillows from Home Goods that are gonna tie in with those really well. And I'm gonna add in this green sweater pillow, which I picked up from Home Goods, and it has the little wood buttons on it, which I think is incredibly cute. And then this fall pillow is from Home Goods as well, and I just love the contrast of the two pillows together and how they tie in awesomely with the two large pillows. And guys, another unique way to add artwork to your space is by using an easel. I think it brings an interest to the space, and it's a very unique way to display your artwork. This piece of art I picked up from Home Goods. However, it was just an all-white canvas. I did paint it with the black and the brown. And on the top of the dining room table, I'm just going to use this large wooden bowl or planter. I'm not sure what it is, but whatever it is, I love it. I love the natural shape of it, the naturalness to it. It feels as if it's carved from real wood. And then inside, I'm just going to add these wooden beads. And please, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps my channel out a great deal. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. And as always, until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.